On 28th of October, Office of the Principal cum Chief Superintendent Office Diphu, Medical College and Hospital Diphu, and Office of the Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong District Diphu, Disaster Management Authority had issued a notification regarding the apparent outbreak of dengue in Diphu town and possibly in across the district of East Karbi Anglong. To stay safe and prevent ourselves from contracting the dengue virus, Office of the Principal cum Chief Superintendent Office Diphu, Medical College and Hospital Diphu, and Office of the Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong District Diphu, Disaster Management Authority had requested its citizens to abide by the measures given in the notice. To use mosquito net while sleeping both during daytime and nighttime. To wear full sleeve clothes while going outdoors. To keep the rooms and surroundings clean, to get rid of any stagnant water collection, to report any case of fever, body ache, headache, bleeding spot in the skin surface to the physicians. But let us have a look at these visuals. These visuals you are watching is of nowhere else but from the heart of Karbi Anglong Diphu town itself. In order to get rid of dengue virus, one should keep our surrounding clean as per the preventive measures published from the Office of the Principal cum Superintendent Office Diphu, Medical College and Hospital Diphu, and Office of the Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong District Diphu, Disaster Management Authority. But what we see here is exactly opposite of it. What would Diphu Municipal Board do in keeping the town clean and hygiene? To destroy and eradicate the nest of mosquito, no dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane (DDT) was spread across the town. No measures have been taken to clean the sewage and drainage system in the town. No measures have been taken to keep the town clean so far. If we see along the butchery stores at the main market of Diphu town, we will not find any store of measures that have been undertaken by the Diphu municipal in maintaining clean and hygiene environment. If not the Diphu Municipal Board, Diphu Bazar Committee could also have performed its duty. What is the necessity of collecting tax from the stores when no work had been carried out? The tax levied by the Diphu Bazar Committee monthly from all the stores around Diphu seems to be done only for their own personal benefits, as no any measures are being carried out by the Bazar Committee till date. In this hour of apparent outbreak, the infection rate of the citizens of Diphu would drop the graph. If Diphu Municipal Board and Diphu Bazar Committee abides by the preventive measures issued from Chief Superintendent Office Diphu, Medical College and Hospital Diphu, and Office of the Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong District Diphu, Disaster Management Authority. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.